3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the president of Bugatti Automobiles, Mr. Wolfgang Dürheimer.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bugatti. It is part of human nature to break boundaries and to reach new records, to run the 100 meters even faster, or to fly even further into space to discover new planets. Mankind always wanted to know, how far can we go? And can we go even further? People are driven by their aspirations, and so is Bugatti. The development brief for our next chapter, the Chiron, was the shortest I have ever experienced in my entire career, and at the same time, the hardest you can think of. Make the best even better. To accomplish this, we left behind us all the parameters we were familiar with and defined new ones that had never existed before. Where others stop, Bugatti takes one step further. With the Chiron, we have tested the boundaries of physics even further. There is no area where we have not become significantly better. The Bugatti Chiron is the new superlative in the automotive world. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a new dawn for Bugatti. We are opening up the next chapter in our corporate history.
To create something unique, a masterpiece of art in its own right, precious, intuitive, and of lasting value. That has been the guiding principle and passion of Carlo, Jean, Rembrandt, and Ettore Bugatti. According to the ingenious founder, Ettore, every Bugatti had to be a holistic masterpiece in art, form, and technique, thus creating automotive legends like the Bugatti Type 35, the Royale, and the iconic Atlantic. From both a technical and aesthetic point of view, the Bugatti Veyron was the company's latest masterpiece, with breathtaking performance and of striking beauty. Now, it's time to move forward and to see the next step. The Bugatti Chiron. Ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate super sports car, the Bugatti Chiron.
The Chiron is the first production supersports cars in the world that delivers sensational 1500 horsepower and a maximum torque of incredible 1600 Newton meter. While we allow the Chiron to go up to 420 kilometers per hour as a maximum speed for road use, this is by no means the limit for us. The Chiron is ready to set the next world speed record. Our customers love performance. They want to know how far they can go in terms of speed and acceleration. And the Chiron will blow their mind. But they will also have lots of fun on fast winding roads because in terms of handling dynamics, this car has broken a new dimension. To make all this possible, we have developed a new version for the legendary thoroughbred W16 engine that our brand is famous for and that our customers love. This engine configuration is unique in today's automotive world. Our new W16 engine features the new Bugatti two-stage turbocharging, which enables breathtaking acceleration at all times and delivers an absolutely linear power curve. You get 1,600 Newton meters of torque from 2,000 RPM already, all the way up to 6,000 RPM. Despite its incredible scope of power, it can still be controlled rather easily. This is unique. We developed the most technically sophisticated carbon monocoque in the industry with an enormously high degree of rigidity, which you normally only can find in LMP1 race cars. The Chiron distinguishes itself by a unique combination of performance-relevant features, the new active air brake, the new adaptive chassis control, and a comprehensive active aerodynamic setup. Our tires are made exclusively for the Chiron, produced by our strategic partner Michelin, tested on aircraft test benches. And of course, the fastest car needs the strongest brakes. We developed new high-performance brakes using Formula One technology to cope with the massive loads of heat. These were just a few examples. The Chiron is the world's most intelligent production supersports car. Our state-of-the-art electrical and electronic systems with their controls and displays are newly developed and have been tailored to meet the needs of high-performance sports car drivers in the best possible way. And those who want to hear more than the gorgeous sound of the 16-cylinder engine can turn on the most exclusive and luxurious high-end sound system ever fitted into a supersports car. This makes the Chiron the fastest concert hall on Earth. No other supersports car of this caliber completed such a demanding and complex test program. We ran more than 30 test vehicles. The Chiron underwent more than 300 hours in the wind tunnel testing and did more than 500,000 test kilometers up to now. The Chiron complies with worldwide safety standards, and it meets the toughest requirements in terms of quality that exist in the car industry. Ladies and gentlemen, like no other supersports car, the Chiron combines innovative technologies and performance with exclusive design and comfort. The car is the most modern interpretation of our brand DNA. Its design embodies lots of beauty with significantly more beast. The most striking elements of our new design language are the famous Bugatti horseshoe with a new eye-to-eye face, the beautiful Bugatti sideline, the central line running from the nose of the car across the roof all the way to the rear wing, and very striking, a new rear end with the unique single-beam Bugatti signature light. The design reflects the performance aspect of the car much more strongly, as most of the design features have a technological background. Our credo is, form follows performance. It goes without saying that the materials used in the Chiron are the real deal. What you see is what you get. the exposed carbon fiber comes with a quality that is unparalleled in the industry. Inside, you find the finest leather possible. Our customers can choose from a wide range of colors and materials, and we certainly go the extra mile to meet their individual wishes. Ladies and gentlemen, the Chiron is setting new standards in every respect. It will only be available to a small number of automobile connoisseurs who are looking for the best of the best. The Chiron will be limited to 500 units. Customer response is outstanding and shows that we took the right decision in the development of this car. To this day, we have received pre-orders for 1/3 of the total run. Those who have dealt with Bugatti and its unique selling proposition in the past simply cannot get around the Chiron. The price starts at 2.4 million euros. The Chiron will certainly be built at our headquarters in Molsheim, and we look forward to deliver our first production car to the first customer in autumn 2016. Please be invited to enter our stand after the press conference and take a closer look. Ladies and gentlemen, the world's best and most outstanding sports car, the Bugatti Chiron. Thank you very much, and vive la marque!